Hey everybody, my name is Kalonda and welcome to my channel, Revolutionary Bay. I'm super excited to bring you my first YouTube video, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how I achieve my signature afro. Let's get started. So we are going to be starting off on a 2-day-old stretched hair. I will be using my wet brush, my Jane Carter twist out foam, and a couple clips to separate my sections. I'm only using one styling product to achieve this style. First, we are going to lightly detangle in order to get rid of some of the shed hairs. We're going to follow that up with our styling product, first applying it to the ends, then applying it to the shaft of the hair. Next, it's time to detangle with our wet brush. Make sure to start at the ends and make your way up to the root. It's really important to thoroughly detangle with a detangling brush because the brush removes tangles that we may miss while finger detangling or detangling with a wide tooth comb. Detangling also ensures that our hair is smooth so that we can achieve a beautiful style. Separate the section into 2 equal parts, then twist. Make sure to smooth the cuticle as you make your way down the section.
Let me know if I'm more than just a friend to you, more than just a friend to you. Make a note, cause you know say how to try for you, no say how to ride for you. So why you gonna do it like that?
To create a bantu knot, or China bump as we call them in Jamaica, wrap the twist around itself into a bun. Make sure to keep putting the twist at the base of the bantu knot. I really wanted to make this video to show that it is possible for us to just use one product to achieve a beautiful style on our natural hair. We don't need to buy a gajillion products in search of the perfect curl. Our hair is amazing with just a minimalist styling regimen. I have this little twist that I keep going back and forth on whether I should lock it. What do you think? Should I?
6 o'clock in the morning, send him a text while I'm yawning.
I'm going to let this style set overnight, so I throw on my satin lined cap and gamma bed. So it's been about 8 hours. Let's style this hair, shall we? I like to lightly coat my fingers with jojoba oil before I begin to unravel. This part is crucial, sis. You want to make sure to take down the China bump then by simply unwinding it in the opposite direction.
Ghana boy say he want marry me. I hope say it's a big watch. Hope your love goes sweet past the shit. Baby boy, they say he think my body is a killer. I hope say it's a big watch. Hope his love goes sweet past the shit. Oh yeah, man, forget your beer. Missy forget your beer. Oh yeah, man, what be the matter? Missy what be the matter? Oh yeah, forget your beer. Missy forget.
Next, we unravel the twist starting at the ends and making our way up towards the root. This way we prevent the twist from snagging and knotting at the end. Notice how shiny and bouncy my curls are? That's partly due to the product that I used, but it's also due to smoothing with the detangling brush and smoothing while twisting the sections. It all goes together, sis.
I demand over you, boy. I demand over you, boy. Say I'm your woman, eh? Your superwoman. I demand over you, boy. You demand over me, oh. Let me know if I'm more than just a friend to you, more than just a friend to you. Make a note.
Then it's time to separate our curls. It's really key to separate the curls where it naturally wants to separate. Gently separate until our hair is looking nice and full.
don't do it like that. Why you gonna act like you don't know? Baby, don't do it like that. Why you gonna keep that thing from me? Baby, don't do it like that. Baby, I know
You may be wondering what my hair type is. I guess I would be a type 4, but I really don't go by the hair typing system because it is a bit confusing to me and really has nothing to do with how I decide to care for or style my hair. Plus, it's too hierarchical for my liking. The way that I determine what methods and products to use is based on my hair texture and density. The texture of my hair is fine, which means that the individual strands are skinny or thin. But the density of my hair is average to thick, which means that I have an average to a large number of strands on my head. If there's anything else that you would like to know about my hair, please feel free to ask them below.
I said I'm calling 6 o'clock in the morning. Send them a text while I'm yawning. I'm calling. Me pa genuine. Me new be pantoma. En como de na me new be yeah. Opinion habito. Ego be belly. Come for some lollipop.
Time for the fun part. Once all the curls are separated, I take my pick and go in. I use my pick to blend the parts and give my hair more volume by lifting the roots. We want to start at the root and make our way down to about 3/4 of our hair. I like to leave the ends curled.
Baby boy, they say he think my body is a kilo. I hope says I be go watch it. Hope his love goes sweet past your shit though. Oh yeah, man, forget your bra. Miss it, forget your bra. Oh yeah, man.
Next, we fluff and shake to get even more volume. Then pick some more to shape the hair. I am in need of a trim, which I will be getting professionally done in 2 weeks. Let me know if you would like to see the video on that. And we are finished, sis. I really hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up. If you have any question, please ask them below, and I will make sure to answer them in an upcoming video. If you would like to keep up with me on a daily basis, follow my Instagram at revolutionarybae. See you later.